Record out. Hello guys, now we are going to show how to get the helicopter, 2 helicopters in Rob Hero. My channel is Environ. Please subscribe. Now we are going to show how to get 2 helicopters in Rob Hero. My channel is Enviro. Like it, share it, comment on it, subscribe it. Don't forget to do that. We have 6 training. When you want training, you can do it. We are going to show it now. How to get to helicopter. Here we got our first helicopter. Now you can see the helicopter very bigly. It's how much big means you cannot bear it. See how big it is. If you want, you can pull that. Now we are going to climb on it. You have the symbols like this: upwards, downwards, bullets. This means it goes on. Now we are going to shoot second helicopter. We have reached there. Scissors. We have reached over here. Here we are going to see helicopter. There is a helicopter right front of us. We are going to land this over here. There is the helicopter. We can climb on it also. Now I am going to climb on that helicopter. It's easy. They shoot down people shoot us like military people. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and we are out. Channel.